Improving the graphics settings in Apex Legends can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals and performance. Follow these steps to optimize your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu, where you will find various options related to graphics, audio, and gameplay. Step 2. Adjust display settings. In the settings menu, go to the display tab. Here, you can change the resolution, full screen mode, and field of view. Set the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. Step 3. Modify graphics quality. Next, navigate to the graphics tab. You will see options for various graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your hardware capabilities. Higher settings improve visuals but may reduce performance. Step 4. Enable VSync and adaptive resolution. In the Graphics tab, consider enabling VSync to reduce screen tearing. You can also enable adaptive resolution to maintain a stable frame rate by automatically adjusting the resolution during gameplay. Step 5. Save and test your settings. After making your adjustments, click on the Apply button to save your settings. Launch a game to test the new graphics settings and see how they affect your performance and visual quality. Make further adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can enhance your Apex Legends graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.